When the husband returned from abroad after 2 years, the wife was begging in the train when she saw the husband. Then, friends, this is the story of a simple family whose life suddenly changed when the seeds of greed and selfishness are shown in the family. This story is from Bareilly district of Uttar Pradesh, where a young man Omkar leaves his home and family with the aim of earning money abroad. Omkar's family was a simple but happy family. Omkar's parents had made their living through hard work. Omkar had an elder brother Yogesh, who was the eldest in the family and was married. Omkar's sister-in-law was a short-tempered woman now for her selfish and cunning nature. Omkar was married to a poor but noble girl named Khushi. Khushi's nature was as per her name. She was happy in every situation and caring for everyone. Yogesh's wife, Omkar's sister-in-law, was a cunning and selfish woman. She had trapped Omkar in her love trap with her cleverness. Omkar was so infatuated with his sister-in-law that he ignored the feeling of his wife Khushi. Bobby took advantage of Omkar's naivety and advised him to take up a job abroad. She explained to Omkar that good money can be earned abroad so that both of them can live a luxurious life together. Omkar decided to go abroad on the advice of his sister-in-law. He leaves the responsibility of taking care of his parents, of his elder brother and sister-in-law, and goes abroad. Omkar had promised to send money from the well-being of his family. But even after going abroad, he did not contact his wife Khushi. Khushi, who had come to her in-laws' house, always felt and about not getting her husband's love. After Omkar went abroad, his sister-in-law convinced her husband Yogesh to hatch a plan to usurp the family property. They tricked Omkar parents into visiting the tehsil and got all the property registered in their name. After usurping the property, they threw the elderly parents out of the house and moved away. The parents, who had no support now, were forced to beg for a living. Khushi too had gone to her maternal home but faced taunts there. She decided to return to her in-laws' house, and there she saw her in-laws begging. Khushi, without any hesitation, decided to live with her in-laws and started being along with them. She used to sell chana at the railway station sometime to take care of her in-laws. After 2 years, Omkar started missing his home and returned. Coming home, he found that his parents have been made homeless by his brother and sister-in-law. He also found out that his wife Khushi is also living in the same condition. When Omkar sees his parents begging at the railway station, his eyes open. He realized his mistakes and burst into tears. Omkar apologized to his wife and parents. Khushi, who still loved her husband, forgive him. Omkar deeply regards the mistakes he made under the influence of his sister-in-law. He decided to start a new life with his family. Omkar moves to a new city with his family, where he starts working as a laborer in the vegetable market. Slowly, he and his wife Khushi worked hard together and opened a small vegetable shop. Their hard work paid off and their business started growing. They also built a small house with their earnings. Yogesh and his wife, who had failed after aspiring the property, were now poor and helpless. When they were left with nothing, they started wandering from door to door. Finally, one day, they too come to the same vegetable market where Omkar was working. Yogesh and his wife apologize to Omkar and his parents also forgive them. Omkar got them a job and the whole family was together again. Friends, this story teaches us that nothing is gained through greed and selfishness. Family love is the greatest wealth. Unless we give priority to our relationships. We cannot find true happiness in life. Omkar's story is an example of how a person should not take any decision at the cost of his family. Eventually, Omkar and his family started living a happy life together. They learned from their mistakes and promised to never leave each other. Through this story, we also understand that the greatest virtue in life is to accept whatever mistakes happen and learn from them.